Hey guys, T here. Years ago, I wrote a book on toasters. It had, golly, maybe 500 toasters in there, and a number of them were toasters from my collection, mostly American toasters. The book went all the way back and documented the first GE toaster in 1908, 1909, and then it continued showing what the incredible mechanics that people put into these toasters and the ingenuity and the different ways that they turned the toast and that they burned it every morning for people was just phenomenal. And today I want to show you one of those toasters. Here's a universal toaster from 1915, made by Landers, Frary, and Clark from New Britain, Connecticut. It's just lovely. This piercing is just gorgeous, and it's also echoed on the top as well. So you'd put your bread in this slot and toast it for a while, and once it was sufficiently toasted on one side, you flipped it around. Notice a little spring arrangement just popped it back into place. So, another cool thing. Lovely. Even has the pattern. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Good toast.